today's video, we're exploring backyard patio ideas that will turn your outdoor space into a peaceful escape or the perfect entertaining area. Whether you have a spacious yard or a cozy corner, these ideas will help you make the most of what you have, creating a beautiful and functional patio you'll love year-round. Start by thinking about the seating area. Comfortable seating is the heart of any patio. Consider outdoor sofas, cushioned chairs, or even a built-in bench along a wall or fence. Add a low coffee table or a rustic wooden table in the center to create a gathering spot for morning coffee, evening chats, or weekend barbecues. If your space is on the smaller side, try going for foldable or stackable furniture that's easy to move and store. A slim bistro table with 2 chairs can make a charming breakfast nook. You can also hang a hammock or a swinging egg chair to add some character without using much floor space. To add shade and a cozy vibe, try installing a pergola or hanging a fabric canopy overhead. It helps define your patio and offers some relief from the sun. For an added touch of charm, wrap some string lights or lanterns around the structure. The soft glow at night creates a dreamy atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Flooring plays a big role in the overall look and feel of your patio. Instead of leaving plain concrete, you can add wooden decking, stone slabs, or interlocking outdoor tiles. A patterned floor can completely change the mood, adding personality and even a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. Now let's bring in nature. Planters filled with flowers, herbs, or even small trees can instantly breathe life into your patio. Use raised garden beds or vertical planters if you're tight on space. Adding greenery not only improves the aesthetics, but also makes the area feel fresher and more relaxing. For those who love to entertain, consider adding an outdoor dining area. A wooden dining table with sturdy chairs, an umbrella for shade, and maybe even a mini bar cart can transform your patio into a dinner party paradise. You can keep it simple or go bold with colorful cushions and patterned tableware. Fire pits and outdoor heaters are perfect for extending your patio use into cooler evenings. Whether it's a sleek gas fire bowl or a rustic stone pit, the warmth and flickering flames bring a sense of comfort and connection. Pair it with some cozy throws and you'll never want to go back inside. Textures and layers make a patio feel complete. Add an outdoor rug, some lanterns, and cushions in a mix of fabrics and patterns to give your space a lived-in, stylish feel. Even small decorative touches like candles, sculptures, or a water feature can bring personality to your outdoor corner. Finally, always design your patio to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're after a quiet reading nook, a place to host summer dinners, or a play area for kids, tailor the space to your needs. With a little creativity and intention, your backyard patio can become your new favorite place to relax. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.